Hi, welcome to this lesson of our study of PDEs, and in this problem we have to solve the transport equation, which is the first order PDE, and we're going to use the same approach method of characteristics. Okay, so the idea is if you have a given PDE in its general form where you have a u sub t plus b u sub x plus cu plus d equal to 0, we came up with an approach that, in our first lessons, it was y and x and y, right? But here we have t and x. That is for the transport equation. We came up with characteristic system that says we should solve dx ds equals a, dx dy, dx dy dt or ds, but here we have dt ds because the coefficient in front of them is what you're going to use. So you have dt ds equals a, and then dx ds equals b. So you just pick these ones, and then the coefficient is b, t, the coefficient is a, right? And then we said the last one is du ds is equal to minus u minus cu minus d. Then when you solve the system and you are able to eliminate every other parameter or variable by keeping only the x and t, that is what we call the method of characteristics, right? So here, what you're going to do is compare that to the same solution, same system here. And we know that the t ds here is equal to 1, comparing to this general equation, okay? And the x ds is equal to 3. du ds is equal to 0 because there's no c, there's no d there. So what does it mean? We need to solve each one of these ODEs, or we can come up with a different approach to solve them if you want. And the idea is to get a constant by eliminating the parameter s. Okay. So first of all, we solve for this one here, and then we can, however I want to do it, that is on our own side. Okay. But we solve for that system using method of separation of variables. You get dt equals ds. When you integrate both sides, you're going to get t is equal to some s plus a constant c1. Do same for the other system, and you get dx is equal to 3ds, and you get x is equal to 3s plus c2, right? And then the other one, which is the u part, is du is equal to 0 ds. And when you integrate u, you're going to get u. But when you integrate u 0 with respect to s, you're going to get a constant c3. Now, we have to do what we have to do is to eliminate the parameter s from these two equations, the x and the t. If you look at it very carefully, I can call this one equation 1 and call that equation 2. Now, if I multiply equation 1 by 3, if I multiply equation 1 by 3 and then do equation 2 minus equation 3, or you can do equation 2 minus 3 times equation 1. 3 times equation 1 is 3t, so you have x equals 3x or 3s plus c2. And 3 times equation 1 is going to give you 3t equals 3s plus c1. Now when you subtract them, okay, this minus that is going to, the left side is going to be x minus 3t, and the right side is going to be 3s minus 3s, so that goes to 0, and you have c2 minus c1. And c2 minus c1, they are both constants, so when you subtract them, definitely you're going to get a constant. Okay, so you're going to have x minus 3t is equal to some constants that we don't know. So eliminating the parameter s, this is what we get. Okay, now on the other hand, we solve for u to get this kind of solution. U is equal to C3. So what it means is the u is a constant C3 that we don't know. But what this statement tells us is that along characteristics, the expression x minus 3t is equal to some constant function. We can call it whatever we want to call it, right? You can call it tau, we can call it eta here. Okay. So along characteristics, the expression for eta is always constant, right? That's what it means. And this C3 here is some constant function of eta, okay? So what we are saying is that u is a constant, but what we know for sure that it is always constant along characteristics is eta, which is x minus 3t. So u is some constant function. We can call it f, because this C3 here is a constant function of eta. And what is eta here? Eta is x minus 3t. And that becomes your solution to the transport equation without initial conditions. Okay. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. See you in our next lesson.